Good morning, this is Pamela of Pamela Quilts, and I'm here with my January 2024 Island Batik unboxing video. I've been an Island Batik Ambassador for 10 years. This is my 10th year, and I'm excited. There's always new things, and the challenges are great, and the fabrics are gorgeous. So let me show you what I got in my box, and then you can make sure to follow me on Facebook here at Pamela Quilts. I'm also Pamela Quilts on Instagram, and my blog is pamelaquilts.com. So join me there and you'll be able to see more about what I'm making. And let's get on with the unboxing. This is my second take. My first take didn't record for some reason. So anyway, here we are, me and technology. So I'm pulling out this strip pack of greens. They're glorious greens. These are from the foundation lines, so they're always available, and they're really super handy to have in these pre-cuts. They also come in 10-inch squares. Another form of pre-cuts from Island Batik are these great stash builder rolls, and each roll is 4 strips of 4 5-inch strips of fabric, so 20 inches of fabric per little tight roll. They're super handy. Lots of fun colors. I see some blues and greens and yellows and purples and pinks and more blues. So I'm starting to get quite an accumulation of those again. So I'm planning on some giveaways throughout the year. So make sure you follow me so you can get in on those. I've got a congratulations package from Schmetz Needles. And what they've sent us this time is a package of vinyl needles, which are very handy for the buy any bags with vinyl, piecing and quilting needles in a variety of sizes, so those will be very handy, and a 9-needle costume pack. And this is a different costume pack from last time. These have universal needles, stretch needles, jean needles, and a twin needle. So those are handy for a variety of things. Luggage tag needle guide. I'll be giving one of these away soon. Another needle guide and a nice booklet, the ABC Pocket Guide. Very informative. So I have an extra one of those as well from prior years. So I'll be sharing the wealth later this year. So thank you to Schmetz Needles. I enjoy your products and I do use them. So next is from Studio 180 Designs. We're doing a blog hop later this year with that. So I'll have more information about that in my blog post that I write up. I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm excited to get the V block because that is one of my very favorite units. So I can't wait to see how that works. Let's see, let's do the surprise bundle. This is first up on the list of projects, and this is Fairy Floss, designed by Tamarini's, who is Tammy Silvers, and this will be shipping to shops in February, and we will be doing a log cabin blog hop with these. And I have a plan, and it's time to dig into these because I'm the first week of the hop, so I have got to get going. My box was late because of the weather. I've got beautiful dark and light purple fabrics to go with it. So I can't wait to dig into that cheery bundle. And I've got a foundations bundle, and these coordinate with the 2 bundles that we have received for our blog hops. And you can see blues, pinks, purples, greens, fun, cheery spring colors. So it may be a fall and winter line. They may be fall and winter lines, but they are definitely springy fabrics. So you do have to work ahead to get your projects done, you know. And I've got a strip pack of Zen Funk, which is fun black and white prints. Love these. Yeah, these will be very fun. And I got a white and a black to coordinate with those. and more black, white, and gray fabric. And this is a 4-yard bundle of each of the colors. So those are great to have as backgrounds and such, as well as this neutral. And I believe this is sprinkles. I can't find the label on it, but I do think it is sprinkles, which is one of my very favorites because it's just kind of soft, almost purpley gray dots. Really nice. And, oh, I'm going to show you this one. While we're on black and white, I also got this Bodacious Black set of 10-inch squares. So these are really very nice. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but they're going to be interesting to work with. I'm excited. I also received a 10-inch pack of Lavendin, and this is really pretty. Purples, greens, blues. Goes right along with the other things I've received, the bundles. And it's just gorgeous. And I'll have more information about that for you as well in the notes and in my blog post. I will talk about all of these good things. But lavender and a beautiful green and a light, kind of a greenish, I don't know what you would call that. I'm at a loss for words. But these go, and this is a winter pre-cut, so that's arriving in stores now. So you can be looking on that. My surprise bundle for May. So we're doing the fun blog hop then. So I can't show you that yet, but I'll be looking at it real soon. I received a large thermal batting from Hobbs, and we'll be receiving more batting later. And we'll also be receiving, I believe, some Aurifil thread in another box, but those haven't arrived yet. But this is a nice, it's an ultra thin non-bearding bat. I really like it a lot. It makes a nice lightweight quilt, and I've used it several times and have always been super happy with it. And I'm excited to say that Oliso has joined our sponsors and sent us all new irons. So I'm super excited about this. I currently own an Oliso iron that I bought for myself about almost 5 years ago, and it's getting pretty well worn. It's fallen off the ironing board a few times, but it still works great. And I'm excited to have a brand new one, because then my other one can go into a backup in case something happens and I break the first one. But they're really super hardy. I haven't had any problems with mine. I love the steam and I love the heat of it. And it's got a 30-minute shut off, which is perfect for me. It's long enough that I don't have to turn it on again a lot of times. But if I do forget to turn it off, it turns itself off, which in my world is a good thing. So those are all the things I received in this box, and I'm excited to start my projects. I'm excited to be an Island Batik Ambassador. Super excited about all the wonderful sponsors. Oliso, Aurifil, Hobbs, Studio 180 Designs, Schmetz Needles. Oh, Funky Friends. Pauline has sent us patterns to make a funky friend to show you later this spring, which I'm looking forward to. Oh, and if I've forgotten anyone, please forgive me. They'll all be in the notes. But I'm excited about this year as an ambassador, and I hope you will follow along with me. Pamela Quilts on Facebook, Instagram, and my blog, PamelaQuilts.com. You can also find me at PamelaQuilts.etsy.com and buy patterns. I have lots of patterns for sale, from easy to hard. I really think that it's a good thing to be inclusive and make sure you write patterns for just about everybody. I do like to encourage beginners, so I like to write easy patterns, but I also like to make complex quilts, so I've written a few complex patterns. So if you like piecing, then you can check that out and find a pattern to fuel your passion and enable you to have hours of fun sewing. So anyway, that sounds like a commercial, and I'm not much of an advertiser, but I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you're safe and warm wherever you are, and I'm looking forward to this year as an Island Batik Ambassador. Thanks a lot. We'll be seeing you on the socials soon. Bye-bye.